Hey guys, today I will show you one software. It's called Btc Generator 2018. Is it a legit software or a scam? Let's find out. So this is a video describing how the software works. Let me show you some of the comments. So you can clearly see that almost all the comments, almost all the commenters had an extremely dissatisfying experience. They could not install and run the software, and they received no help from the support team. So now let's go into the description and see what they have written. No need to worry about anything related to this. Just after paying, you will get a dedicated support only for this kind of download. The support will guide you about everything, starting from installation to the withdrawal of the funds. In one word, you will get a complete guide, and yes, premium users always get a prompt reply and a quick solution if he or she faces any issues with this tool, and they will get the reply within an hour. If required, the support will also help you on Skype. Just after downloading the file, you can get in touch with the support team. Some big promises. Now let's find out. Now I will try to install it. So after downloading the software, you get no support email. So you saw it, right? I tried several times to install it on my PC, but the file does not run. Every time I tried install, it shows the error message. When I tried to install it on Windows 7 or other versions of Windows, it shows this error message. I wrote about these problems in the comment section of the video. And forget about getting reply. Every time I write any comment, they simply delete my comments. So what do you think about this? Is it real or a scam? Did you face the same problems? Could you resolve the problems? Did you get any help from the support team? In my case, I think I'm scammed, and support team did not give me any help, although they promised that they will help within an hour to the premium users like me. $5.99 completely wasted. Write your experience in the comment section and subscribe my channel for more such videos, as my mission is to save people from all sorts of scams. I will take the risk on myself so that you don't get cheated. So if there is any other software about which you are not sure whether it's legit or scam and you want me to review it, then please write about it in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.